you to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, you can't.
So this is the backyard space. This is before anything is done. This is after the fall and winter season has beaten everything down. All the pine trees, because as y'all can see, we got the big trees in the bike yard. So yeah, pine trees everywhere. All this gotta get cleaned out. On the side gotta get cleaned out. Look, it's pollen everywhere. Pollen on the fire pit cover, all over the chairs, all over the storage benches. Nasty pollen everywhere. Oh, I almost walked into a spider web. Oh, y'all, this is Henry. Is this Henry? Yeah, Henry, because he's the bigger one. Henry and Harriet, they came back really, really good over the winter. It went down a little bit. My husband covered it with plastic so they could stay alive, and they did good. They're back. But this is throwing out. I might save the chairs and repaint it because I got the chair covers in the storage down there. Rug definitely throwing away. All that throwing away. The rug over there. Yeah, and this is out. I might salvage the umbrella. But yeah, this is just the before. We got the grill down here. Look at that nastiness. So we got to pressure wash all of this down back here so we can get started with the backyard makeover. Not remake-over, the backyard makeover. Because this is nasty, y'all. This is nasty. So we're going to do some exciting things out here, you guys. I'm excited. I'm just ready for a whole spring, summer vibe. You know? So, yeah. It's nasty. But that's okay. We're gonna get all this done. We got plastic because this is actually a screened-in patio right here. And during the winter months, we put plastic around so we can keep the heat in because it's attached to the garage, and Steven and whomever else, our kids, whatever, they always be out here watching the game and they want the heat to stay in. And then too, it's good so the pollen wouldn't get in there on the furniture and over everything. So we keep the plastic up just up until the pollen goes away, and then we take the plastic off so it can be, you know, opened out and we can enjoy the breeze, the nice cool breeze and all of that stuff. So yeah, it's a lot going on back here, but we're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done. I hit this little thing right here. I'm gonna do something with this, but it's just additional seating area that we made just while we over here with the grill. But see, this is not even gonna be over here no more. This is gonna be over there. So he's bringing in the parts of the gazebo, y'all. The gazebo is going over here. The people just delivered it. I'm pointing. It's gonna go over here in this section right there. The truck just delivered it. I ordered it from Sam's Club. It's one of the permanent wood ones. So yeah, that's one of the things that we're gonna be doing after the cleanup. So, or I don't know if they're gonna build it first and then we do the cleanup. I don't know, but it's already here, so stay tuned. This is just the first little phase, part 1. Okay, I'm back. So the initial plan, which was my husband's help, fell through. So what I'm here for, to help meet. Because one thing about it got to get done. The show got to go on. I don't have time to sit around and beg people and pay. No, I don't do that. We don't do that. So I'm just gonna help him as best I can. We gonna get as far as we can. What I can't do, my son will come and help, or but either way, it's gonna get done. We gonna rock this out. Y'all seeing me in real form. This is work attire. Then it's chilly out here. I might got to go get a hoodie. I'm ashy. I need to go get some lip chapstick or something. We finna get this thing done, okay? So, stay tuned. Child, y'all heard all that cash money mess I was talking behind how I'm not gonna beg nobody, which I didn't. But y'all, I didn't know what I was getting myself into, child. It is 682,492 pieces that come with this thing. I mean, it just took day one was literally just getting the pieces together and organized. Child, but guess what? I'm big Capricorn energy. I did that. I did it. I stuck to it and got it done like I said I would. Boom. You almost had an upset. We couldn't find a part. Okay, so back here looks like a lumber, like Lowe's lumber yard. With all this all over the place. Steven is screwing, putting the feet onto the poles.
I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, I bet. You wanna get with me, stop.
You try to figure out. I'm ready to get this other one out. You know what you should do? Put one pole or something right there so I can start screwing this part in while you looking for stuff. Instead of you just idling. You just idling. So y'all, if y'all want to test your marriage, your relationship, whatever, just do a big project together. Put a big project together. We went from cussing each other out, being mad, to laughing, talking, dancing. It was just like a up and down roller coaster of emotions. But it was fun.
Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me. Get with me, stop it.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my dirty on go. Got that ass to the floor.
y'all, today is day 3, and I know on day 1 y'all saw when I first started recording that I had fingernails on. Not one nail is on my hand now. Child, it's the time, honey. The struggle was real. Nails was popping right and left. I'm like, let me take them all off. I can't take it no more. And also, y'all, we were doing this in the middle of the weekday when everybody else was at work, so that's why we didn't have any help. It was only the 2 of us, so this can be done with 2 people, but when you're getting to the ending, after you've put all the low pieces together, put the metal roofing on the panels, when you're starting to lift to put the roof on, you're gonna need more than 2 people. You're gonna need 3 people, and when you're putting on the last panel, you're gonna absolutely need about 4 people because it's a lot of lifting up, then holding it together, then one person have to screw it on. So right here you see my youngest son helping us. This was the day that he came for work, and he helped us put 3 of the panels on. So we're lifting it up, holding it in place, and then Steven is clamping it and trying to screw it on. So we're doing that with 3 sides. Now, on the 4th side, he wasn't there at the time, so we had to call our nephews, and y'all are going to see that they're going to come do and help us with the last panel on the roof.
I gotta keep my shorty on the go. Got that ass to the floor, yeah. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no clothes. High fashion, like oh yeah, G-Wagon or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on the go. Got that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it none of these niggas no more. If we hopping the fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my private baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby. Now you want to shoot with the head at the bottom, baby. You know I like when you right at the top.
Ain't another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just...
This is finally the finished product, y'all. This thing fought us. It took us about 3 days to do, and we got a little help at the ending, but we were finally done and finished. This is only the first phase. This is part 1, the first phase of the backyard. It's a lot of other stuff that comes after this. We will update you and show you what else we're adding on as a part 2, maybe a part 3, but this is the backyard, y'all. Well, the beginning of it is a total vibe now, and we're still not even finished, but this is just, I just wanted to bring it to you guys as a complete picture. So this is just part 1. Stay tuned for part 2, maybe a part 3.